Next, we are going to talk about what are the attributes of student. The main feature you see in an active student are as given below. Individual difference between student. Every student is different from others. His qualities, learning styles are different. So they have to teach each student according to his her style of learning, considering the different learning style. Learning from actual learning experiences. We try to teach student in the same way, but as we have just seen, learning style of every student is different. So it is important to give students practical work and work experience. Students' holistic development. According to Bloom, students develop at three levels: cognitive development, emotional development, and psychomotor development. The focus should be on emotional development as much as cognitive development. Students' ability to make decision. Student can make decision, but teacher seems to ignore the attribute of the student. Teacher do not believe that student can make some decision. Problem solving ability. The teacher does everything in the classroom on his own, that is, the teacher's teaching method is not children centered, but it is teacher centered. The teacher himself try to solve all the question of the students. Teacher should allow student to solve their problem because students are capable of the solving problem. Development of self-awareness. Students have different ability, but it is not used in forward learning. It is only because the teacher is active that the student do not get any space. You see that each student are different characteristics and skill, but the teacher ignore them. If the teacher use the characteristic of the student, or if their skill are used, it will help the student to develop their skill and become self-awareness. And if all of this is not possible due to teacher-centered teaching in this case, teacher should adopt children-centered teaching method. Next, teacher should make the following efforts for students to be active. Hands-on experience-based learning. One of the characteristics of children-centered learning is experience-based learning. If we make students get different hands-on experience, students learn from their experience. Student can get real experience from it and their knowledge is supported, and therefore it is very important to teach students through hands-on experiences. Involvement of the student in different activities. Different study also. Different studies supplement programs are the plan in the school, but the participation of the student is less to students do not get the opportunity to study, and hence students need to participate in school and co-curricular activity program. Creating confidence and independence feeling in student. Today's teaching method is teacher centered. The teachers are active in the classroom and hence the student play the role of passive listener, and hence the students lack confidence. If the teacher builds confidence in the student can face every problem with confidence. Teachings for self-esteem. Students rarely get the opportunity as the teaching method in the teacher-centered, but if you adopt children-centered education, student can get the freedom of the action and express, and it help in developing self-esteem in student. Emotions develop in student and help in self satisfaction, and therefore using a children centered learning method will help student develop a sense of self worth. Thank you.